Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is run. Here is a picture of a woman running. Here is run in different languages. Pause the video and find yours. Run means to go faster than a walk on your legs. Run. Past progressive was running, past ran. Present progressive running, present run. Future will run. Let's build a sentence. They were running. Here, we will use the past progressive tense. Let's build a sentence. They were running. Where? Where were they running? They were running on the track. Let's build a sentence. They were running on the track. How? How were they running? They were running on the track with the class. Okay. Let's build a sentence. They were running on the track with the class. Why? Why were they running? To practice for the race. Let's build a sentence. They were running on the track with the class to practice for the race. When? When was the race? Next weekend. Oh, okay. Let's build a sentence. They were running on the track with the class to practice for the race next weekend. Which race? To practice for the road race next weekend. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the great work.